Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get an awesome Fortnite wallpaper. And if you guys want to see more Fortnite and Fortnite gameplay, then make sure to comment down below and hit that like button. And yeah, let's get right into it. So, first search up Zedge. Go to Zedge ringtones and wallpapers. Open it up. Then you want to go to wallpapers, and as you can see right here, this is a wallpaper I have, but all you have to do is you can either go on Google and search up Fortnite wallpapers, or you can go on Zedge. So then when it says Fortnite, you just press on wallpapers, and you got these cool Fortnite wallpapers. Now, let's say I wanted this wallpaper. So I have this one, but let's say I wanted this one, because this one's pretty cool. So all I have to do is press on this button right here and press set wallpaper. It's really that easy. And as you can see, it's my wallpaper. Now if you guys wanted to do on Google, all you have to do is search up Fortnite wallpaper and go to images. Now let's say you think that this one's pretty cool. Okay, you just take a screenshot or whatever one you want. Let's say this one. You just crop it down to what you want as a wallpaper and save it. Now what you want to do is go to settings and you search up wallpaper. Press on that one that comes up and press on the one that says gallery on the top, and then press set as home screen. Now it'll let you choose anything from your gallery. So yeah, now this is the one that you want. You can change it to any size, and then let's say you want it like this, or you want that Fortnite up there. You would just go like that and press set as wallpaper, and it actually has a motion effect. So as you can see, it moves around when your phone moves around. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So if you guys want to see the heavy the heavy shotgun in action, make sure to comment down below, smash that subscribe button. If you want to see Fortnite gameplay and anything that has to do with Fortnite, just comment down below, and see you guys in the next video.